If you're planning to do any grocery shopping, you should know that egg prices are soaring, now approaching $7 a dozen nationwide. And this is as the growing bird flu outbreak spreads to more producers. ABC's Morgan Norwood is here now to break it all down. Morgan, when you hear how much a dozen eggs cost, you see the impact.
Yeah, so many folks are feeling it and no relief in sight either, Janae. Good morning. The bird flu outbreak in livestock showing no signs of slowing down, and it's impacting everything from your grocery bill and potentially your pet's food. New poultry infections detected in 28 states just this month alone. And so far, CDC reports 67 confirmed cases here in the U.S., and that's mostly in people who had direct contact with infected livestock. The virus has led to one death in Louisiana, with 2 cases involving children over in California. Now, the illness is hitting commercial flocks especially hard on Long Island. Workers began this week euthanizing nearly 100,000 ducks after bird flu was confirmed. In the past 3 months alone, 36 million egg-laying hens have been lost to the virus. Now, the result, as Janae just pointed out, the wholesale egg prices now soaring. Look at that. Nearly $7 per dozen, $9 over in California, where cage-free laws are in place. Prices have hit $9, and experts say it could take up to 9 months to replenish that supply. But again, the CDC is, saying the risk to the general public remains low, with no evidence of person-to-person spread. And while the federal government has stockpiled 10 million vaccines as a precaution, health officials again reassured that the food supply is safe. But the FDA, of course, asking pet owners to also take precaution as well.
Yeah.
Wow, Morgan, I cannot believe that 100,000 ducks, 36 million egg-laying hens, all lost to the virus. And this comes as the Trump administration orders federal health agencies to halt external communications as we get all these recalls and things.
Yeah, and that can seem really concerning, but they do say that all of that is going to, in terms of the external communications, that should be back online by the end of the month. But with the spread of the virus in livestock, there are a couple of things that you can do. Of course, follow your general food safety precautions. Make sure that you're cooking your food thoroughly, and then follow food safety handling practices. They also stress to avoid raw, unpasteurized milk.